This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the phone is charged and backed up. This prevents data loss if something interrupts. Once done, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network so downloads don't fail. Make sure you know your My Account credentials. Open Settings right arrow About Phone right arrow System Update to check for OTA. If an official update appears, tap Download. Otherwise, prepare the correct firmware package for a manual update. When the OTA is available, tap Install and let the phone reboot into the updater. It will apply changes automatically. For manual installs, download the exact ROM for Redmi Note 8 Pro and confirm checksum, then move the ZIP to internal storage root. Open the Updater app, tap the menu, select Local Update, pick the file and confirm. The device will reboot, apply the package, and show progress. Once the update finishes and the phone boots, check Settings right arrow About Phone to confirm the MIUI build and test core functions like calls, camera, and network. Make sure all apps are updated from the Play Store. Clear app caches if something behaves oddly. If problems persist, boot into recovery and wipe the cache partition first. If that fails, use My Flash with the correct fast boot ROM to reflash. That single recovery option often resolves boot loops or persistent instability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.